Okay guys, we're starting on the roof. But what does it involve? Well, here's a step-by-step of the roof repair and waterproofing on Project C. First is the assessment. Now we've observed cracked roof tiles, levels that are off, and other repair work required. We also need to waterproof the roof. Then we start the repair, which is mostly required at the points of extensions that were previously done. So we adjusted the timber battens and in some instances replaced them entirely to make sure the roof tiles sit level. With the ridges, where they were damaged and not locked in place, we put new ridges which we aligned and then secured with a strong mortar mix. We also replaced roof tiles where needed. Then we start the preparation for waterproofing by brushing and washing to remove any loose flaky particles, dust and debris to ensure the surface is clean. Then the waterproofing. We apply a coat of a.b.e. hydro-proof acrylic waterproofer. We then place the membrane over this coat, ensuring an overlap on either side. Then we paint a second coat to ensure the membrane is fully saturated. Hydro-proof is high strength, reinforced, and it will not shrink or perish. It's an all-in-one system. Not a lot of people seal the ridges. If you don't, they can crack at the joins because a roof moves and it's designed to do so, and that's how water can eventually get in. Another thing I've seen on homes is the roof valleys being completely sealed with membrane, which is not a good idea because you need to allow movement here and have proper runoff, and the best way is to also keep them wide enough so that they're easy to clean. So on Project C we've seen quite a few cracks, and mainly at extensions that were not tied into the existing building. Over here there was quite a big separation. Now to sort this out, we're using steel reinforcement. So the steel rebars go through here into this building. But on either ends of the steel, we're using a.b.e. Epidermix 372. Now this is a two-part epoxy system, and it's easy to mix, and it creates a bond, a very strong bond, a chemical anchor. So it ensures that there will be no further separation or cracks in the future.
We also used a.b.e. Super Lake Hold, a rubberized bitumen emulsion, to waterproof the old fixings on the corrugated garage roof, as well as the roof of the scullery and laundry rooms, an area of concern due to the level difference.